Preparation for wallpaper. This is gonna be paper on this side and paint on this side. This color is gonna be a little darker than it is right now, but it's looking pretty good. I like the brown. So brown, and then she's got this light brown color. So on the cabinets, so everything is gonna look beautiful. Okay, paint is wet still. Okay, already reflowed some areas on this wall just to make it smoother. Right there, you can tell whatever is different color from the white. Put some mud on it again, made it smoother, and I'm ready to start hanging.